To improve in the MXGP class is quite tough actually, because everybody is on a good level. Yeah, you want to improve every year, but I think the stars are the most important and to be consistent.
Yeah, for me the biggest improvement what I want to make is the consistency. You know, like I want to be always up front and consistently and go through the season without any big injuries. Yeah, the new bike is actually really good. From the first day I stepped on a bike, it was really good and I felt comfortable with it.
For me, the new bike is the most special is the handling, because you can have a lot of power, but when the handling is not good, you cannot use this power. So, and the handling is really nice, so the power is just excellent. Last year, the last moto, I was 5th, and I like to be in this position, to be, and who knows, maybe a podium.
Yeah, the goal is of course to be as much as possible in the front, you know, to make as many podiums as possible and always be there.